All right, welcome back to the Seven Figure Seller Summit. My name is Gary Huang. Today, I am super excited to bring you to day 4, profitability. It's amazing that we have so many special guests be with us here today live. I just wanted to quickly introduce everybody that we have and welcome also everybody watching. Before we begin, if you're watching, if you can see this, can you please type your name in the chat and where you're watching from just to make sure, because we are live. Okay, so first off, I'd like to welcome Yoni Mazur. He's the co-founder of Getida. He gave a great talk about Amazon reimbursements, so how to use that to get your money back so you're not leaving money on the table, on Jeff Bezos' table. He doesn't need any more money. So that's an excellent presentation. I'd like to highly recommend that. And then also, Getida is our platinum sponsor for the summit, so we really appreciate that. So Yoni, welcome. How's it going over there?
Great, very, very nice. We have a nice, lovely sunny day in New Jersey, right, Elaine? You also have a nice sunny day?
Exactly. Cool and dry.
Yeah, every day like this, I'm very thankful to the world.
Excellent, excellent. So next, I'd like to welcome Matt Lapierre. He's coming from Ping Pong Payments. They're a third-party payment processor. If you're doing any international payments, they can immediately cut down your fees if you're using Amazon. So I highly recommend them as well. So Matt, how's it going?
Great, Gary.
Welcome.
Sunny LA here.
Yeah, I miss LA. That's my hometown. And go Dodgers, go Lakers. So I miss those guys. Yeah,
right.
Excellent. All right, next, I'd like to welcome Elaine Hofelt. She is the author of the $1 Million One-Person Business. She's interviewed countless successful e-commerce entrepreneurs from all different industries. I learned so much just from following her and all of her interviews. So I'm super privileged to have her with us here today. How are you doing, Elaine?
Oh, I'm great, Gary. It's nice to be back, and congrats on the success of the summit. I was part of the inaugural one, and it's amazing to see how much you've grown it.
Thank you. We couldn't have done it without you guys, and Elaine is an alum of the summit, and she also helped us get featured in Forbes as well, so thank you for that. Our summit is very exciting. We just crossed 3,000 people that registered, so we're really trying to help everyone all over the world. If you guys are watching here today, if you know of anybody that might be interested in leveling up their e-commerce business, and we're talking about profitability today, go ahead, invite them to come on live. We have this valuable time with these seven-figure sellers, these experts, so please ask them to join us. We're trying to help as many people as we can. Next, I'd like to welcome my friend Andy Humphrey. He's coming in from Michigan. He's a seven-figure seller, Shopify store owner. He's crushing it during COVID. He gave a great talk about 4 ways he increased his profits during the whole COVID pandemic. He's going, his drop shippers are going through furloughs. He actually, he's selling fewer units, but he's actually making more profits. So definitely, I recommend you check out Andy's session. How's it going, Andy?
Yeah, going great. And I'll echo Elaine. Congratulations on another awesome summit. Appreciate being a part of it, and excited about what you're doing. There's a lot of people that can benefit for all the effort that you're putting in to get us all together. So appreciate it.
Yeah, no, thank you, and thank you for coming back. Andy is an alum as well, so we couldn't have done it without you as well. So I appreciate the support. And last but not least, I'd like to introduce Cassandra Craven. She is the queen of social media from Helium 10. She gave excellent talk day 2 on 10 Insta-worthy ways to build an Amazon business. How's it going, Cassandra?
Good. Congratulations on everything. Thank you so much for having me. I'm a little further south than Matt. I'm in Orange County, and it's about 100 degrees here, so doing well.
Yeah, stay cool, and super excited to have you. And I'd like to take a moment to welcome some of our viewers. Rahul, good morning from India. Thomas from Muskoka, Canada. Karen, welcome. And Craig Green from Melbourne, good day. Nutu, Malcolm from New Zealand. Kyle, Karen Sandifer, welcome back. Great to see you. And Craig Green. Andy, could you show us a view from your deck, by the way? I know you have an amazing where you are right now.
Oh, nice.
Oh, wow.
So the lake. Can you see the lake again today?
Oh, wait, there it is.
That is, it's kind of, that little piece of silver lining.
Piece of Lake Michigan there for you. Fresh water.
Yeah. That's amazing. All right. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Today, we're talking about profitability and, how to keep more money in your profit. So I'm curious, maybe we could just go around the table, and if you guys can just give one tip to everybody watching. What is the number one tip you give to them to increase their profitability? If you need to pay attention to their Amazon reimbursements. If we can take just 3 or 4 minutes with that.
I just gonna be I'll bundle it up with my little live
Yeah.
trivia thing that we did Sunday. So if you want, we
Yeah.
can just start. We can share the screen and dive right
Let's
into
do
it.
that.
But before
Yeah.
we did, I want to appreciate Thomas's response with Muskoka region is where I live. The town is Ontario, Canada. So shout out to that.
For you. If you just have one out.
Need to pay attention to their Amazon reimbursements. If we can take just 3 or 4 minutes with that.
I just gonna be I'll bundle it up with my little live
Yeah.
trivia thing that we did Sunday. So if you want, we can
Yeah.
just start. We can share the screen and dive right
Let's
into
do
it.
that.
But before
Yeah.
we did, I want to appreciate Thomas's response with Muskoka region is where I live. The town is Gravenhurst. The province is Ontario, and of course the country is Canada, Ontario, Canada. So shout out to that. Thank you for their clarification. Okay, let
Thanks,
me share my
Thomas.
screen. Oh, sorry, 1 second. I shared the wrong screen. All right, so let me click on share screen. Okay, I'll do. All right, you guys see it?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, cool. Welcome to our live Q&A trivia. We did something very similar Sunday. We're going to do it again. Andy, if this is repetitive, I apologize. Some of it will be, but there's going to be new questions, so hopefully it'll be fun. Okay, so there's going to be new questions, so hopefully it'll be fun. Okay, so let's go to, okay, so here's a little bit about Getira just for context. So, so you understand who is talking, presenting this. What is Getira? Is it Getaira? It doesn't matter how you say it. It's all good. It's an acronym. It stands for Get IDA or Get Intelligent Data Analytics. Essentially what we are, we're a technology company, but our claim for fame is auditing Amazon for logistical and financial discrepancies. So a small example, if you ship 1,000 units to Amazon, to the fulfillment centers, and they only receive 990 units, our technology will find the 10 missing units, and then our service team will open a case with Amazon and to reconcile to see where it is. If Amazon finds the 10 units, no harm done. If Amazon doesn't find the units, they're going to reimburse the sellers and pay the money. And we only charge a fee if there's a recovery. We don't charge any fees just like that. There's no subscription or anything. So we like to consider ourselves a global leader in FBA auditing and reimbursements because we service all the Amazon marketplaces in North America, Europe, and all over the world. We are an award-winning company. We won the Gold Award from the American Business Awards for our dashboard technology. Like I mentioned, we do have a dedicated team of claims specialists. A big part of them are ex-Amazon employees who used to work in the reimbursements department, so we kind of know what we're looking for. And also it helps us to stay compliant in every corner and the way we do our work. We track and monitor our recovery rate, and we have a very high recovery rate in the industry. Our success rate is more than 75%. So for every 4 cases that we're going to open with Amazon for you, more than 3 cases will probably get reimbursed. And we believe in affordable solutions for all sellers. That's why, like I mentioned, we have a women proposition model where we don't charge any retainers, any subscription. We only charge a fee if we're successful in giving you value or financial recovery. All right. If you'd like to find us, you can visit Getira.com or you can find us in the Amazon App Store. We're an authorized service provider in Amazon and their platform in the App Store. I think I mentioned this tip also on Sunday. This is just a tip or a nugget for anybody who sells on Amazon and is looking for a service provider. If you're not sure who they are, if they're legit, bona fide, Amazon has made it simple for the sellers. You go to the App Store and visit it, okay, and see if it's authorized by Amazon. Because Amazon in the past year has invested, they're allocating $15 billion to invest in the App Store and vetting all these sellers. So essentially for us as service providers, we're like Amazon sellers. We are service providers on their platform, and they scrutinize us exactly as they scrutinize the sellers. They always vet and check what's going on and make sure we're playing on a top game. So that's a good tip for anybody who's listening. And okay, now it's time to have some fun. All right. This is a live interactive presentation. So anybody wants to join this presentation, what I need you to do is visit menti.com. You see on top, MENTI. You can do this on your phone or on your computer. It doesn't matter. And once you're there, just put this code in to enter the live presentation, 3024906, okay? And then you just put your information, and we're going to be ready to roll. So I'm gonna give a few moments here. But essentially, if you entered the presentation, the live presentation, we're gonna ask 2 questions. And whoever wins the 2 gets the 2 questions correctly will win $100. If the questions are not gonna be too easy, so if 2 people actually, or more than 2 people, answer all the questions correctly, we're just gonna raffle the winner. But this is gonna give you an opportunity to win some money. But even more than that, the questions that we're gonna present are gonna give you the opportunity to learn. Okay, they're gonna be educational trivia questions. So once again, take your phone, visit menti.com, use this code 3024906, enter the information, and we'll be ready to place the ball. Gary, can you hear me well? Because I can't see anything. I'm in outer space right now. Can you hear me, Gary? Houston, do you have a problem? You guys hear me?
No, I can hear you fine. Yeah, you're good.
Okay, good.
And I just dropped the URL in the chat. You guys can do it quickly because we got to run in just a couple minutes. I have a back-to-back meeting right after.
How much?
This.
Give me exact time. I'm gonna shift my Navy, my Navy mentality.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Let's do it.
Ooh, wow, that's gonna be tough. Okay, we got 3 people in. I feel bad because
Please enter now.
it's not gonna
That'd
count.
be good.
Can we
That'd be good, right? For
Can we
them.
get a 5-minute extension, Gary?
I wish I could, but
whoever's meeting you,
there-
can we pay him off or something?
no, there's gonna be 200 people anxious, so I don't want to keep them waiting.
Okay, we got
Yeah.
5 people in. Okay, I'm gonna have to skip a few parts. I do apologize. So we're gonna go right into
Yeah.
the questions. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So what type of business are you? It's a few options here. Just as a poll. What is your primary retail category? Okay. First question. First trivia question.
Is the whole video
How
clip.
often does Amazon update a product sales rank?
Period.
Okay.
7-figure
You
sellers.
guys can submit
giving me a
your
shout
answers.
out.
Is it monthly, weekly, daily,
Yeah.
hourly? And the reason why this question is important is probably Cassandra is going to relate to this. Is when you do your product research, you want to kind of know what to sell or to create, so you can sell it on Amazon. You always go through the best sales rank, and there might be a false positive. You see something, it's ranked really high. You think it's doing great volume, but it just might be there for the moment. So how often does it get updated? Is it monthly, weekly, daily, or hourly? We got 4 answers. Let's put we have 5 people before. Maybe we get 1 more in. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's see the answers. All right. So most of you guys said daily, and about 80%, and about 20% said hourly. And the correct answer is hourly. Congratulations to whoever got it correctly with the hourly. It's hourly. Just to show you how rapid and hyper dynamic the marketplace is, hourly. You check it the next hour, the ranks are different. So once you're doing product research and you want to know what to sell, keep that in mind. So the best way to do it is just try to look for trends over time. Don't take a snapshot, say, hey, these guys are ranked number 1 in this category, they're making $1 billion a year. It's not really true. If you look at the channel over time, they might peak for the 1 hour for the top, but then they flush all the way to the bottom. Okay. All right, second question, trivia. Second question, number 2. How much in federal taxes did Amazon pay in years 2017 and 2018? 2 years. Okay, did they pay 11 billion in taxes, 7.3, 1.7, 600 million, 129, or 0? Okay, how much in federal taxes? There's a big lesson here to learn on with this question. So this is a financial question for all you accountants out there, but there's also a kind of a story or a message behind this question. So not much time. We got Gary waiting and 200 people waiting. I gotta give it 3, 2, 1. Let's see what the answers were. You guys are ready? All right. So let's see. Numbers are changing. 50% are about saying 0, and then 11 billion, 1. Okay, so most of you got the correct answer. The answer is 0. Amazon paid 0 taxes in these 2 tax years, and the reason is because before taxes, their EBITDA was actually $11 billion or plus. But the reason they didn't pay anything in federal taxes because they took all that $11 billion and then reinvested into R&D. Okay, because if they do that, that's why Amazon is Amazon. That's why Amazon is still in hyper growth mode. They just take all the profit, reinvest it, and they get a tax break, which is unbelievable. So this is a lesson to you. Whatever you're doing and you're making a profit, and you really are serious about growing and yourself and your business, reinvest it into R&D and spend